Welcome to Btekt. David here, and I've got the Honor 20. Brilliant little Kirin 980 powered handset, full screen display with the cutout, excellent camera system, like a really good camera system, and this funky glass back. But it doesn't really seem like many of you care about any of that at all, as I've been getting loads of requests from people asking me to give them the code for the Wonder Skin for Fortnite. So I've decided that I will. If you want to get your hands on this exclusive skin that you can only get if you purchase the Honor 20 or Honor 20 Pro, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment saying why you deserve to win. We'll go through all the comments with a fine-tooth comb to find the best, and as long as you're subbed, you win. The winners will be announced within the next couple of weeks. I'll do another video once I get the Honor 20 Pro. And that's it. There's no catch, you don't have to pay any money, it's open to everyone, so you've got nothing to lose. You might as well enter. Or if you know someone who would be interested, then share this video with them. And of course, none of this would be possible without our sponsors Direct Mobiles. It really is an excellent place to go if you want to get the best deal on your next phone. The comparison tools allow you to compare all of the available deals with all of the UK networks. And if they have special deals, you'll find them all there in one place. The link is in the video description below, or just search directmobiles.co.uk. If you didn't know, it seems like the Huawei ban has been lifted. We're not really sure of all the details yet, but it is really good news for Honor and anybody who wanted to buy this phone. The day before the global release of the Honor 20 series was the day that Trump hit Huawei with the ban. The timing was really bad for Honor, as it really must have put a lot of people off from actually buying this phone. It really is a shame because it's an excellent piece of kit, especially for the asking price. If you want to know more details about the Huawei ban being lifted, then click the tab above or check down in the video description below for my video. You'll also find a few links down there for the Honor 20 series. Make sure that you follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, as I'll put results to the competition up there as well. And that's it from me. I'll leave you with some gameplay from Fortnite using the exclusive skin.
Oh, this guy's skin. This guy's skin. Look at him. He looks beautiful. Oh my god.
Look at this person.
Thanks for watching. My name's David. This is Btekt, and I'll see you next time.
It's Arch Bad B.